I would like you now to place a successful withdrawal with me on this particular app. It's a legit app. Yeah, you'll be seeing the money drop into my account. So now I don't want to waste our time at all. So now let me show you my phone screen for you to know what app it is. Okay. And you know what? I will be telling you the name of the app at the end of this video. Now, this is like now immediately open the app, you check in this way. So now I'm checking in is one of the ways to have money. So just getting reward on the app, you understand? So now the next thing that will happen is go to going down. So all those icon down there. So what we are going to be doing now is placing withdrawal, you understand? So now before we continue, I would like you to know the date and the time at which we are doing this. Today's date is 3rd of December 2024, and the time is 18:06, which is 6 minutes after 6. So now let's go back. So now for us to place our withdrawal, so you tap on this my beans here. You tap on my beans. So now you see how much I have here now. So we want to place a withdrawal. So now what we'll be doing is withdrawable money, which is $10. So I'll tap on withdraw. So just for you to be sure that this app you can earn and withdraw your money, not those ones that promise you that you will earn money and you won't be able to withdraw. So got it? So now you place your withdrawal, you can tap on all here. So I tap on all, but it's still put $10 and that's just it. So I've already, we can see withdraw too. So for you to withdraw on this app, so you would have registered on Met Wallet with your Gmail for you to be able to withdraw on this app. So they now told me that they are telling me here that all conditions have been met. So now, so for me not to take your time, so let me tap on withdraw. So they said withdrawal successful. You understand? So you could see the notification withdrawal successful. You understand? So let me just tap on got it. You understand? So you can see that the money is no more there. So let's tap on withdrawal history. Let me go back. So you see a message that the money has been sent. So let's tap on message. So I don't know why the message is taking so long to load. So they're just telling us that it's successful. Now let's go to where I will be withdrawing the money. This is the app. So now let's open it. Met Wallet, and you would have registered on it. You understand? So let me log in with my last login, my Gmail. So next, my password. So now you can see that we have a $10 in our Met Wallet. Okay. For you now to withdraw this money to your normal account, bank account which you use, now you tap on cash out. So you tap on cash out. So automatically the bank that you've linked will show up here. So you now put the amount at which you want to withdraw. So you can tap on all, which is the $10 that is there. So this is the fee you will be charged is $0.90, and the cash out amount must be $10. So that's just so you tap on submit. So you enter the payment password which you have. So after doing that, so completed, estimated arrival time within 2 working days. Then, and as I speak with you, the money just entered. So you can actually see the time, which is December 3rd, and this is 18:27. So I have to put a camera there right now. So I'm going to stop this. Now see the money that just entered, which is, you can see the money now. So this is 6:27. Just you can backward the video like and check the time at which we cash out the money, and you can see the time right now, which is 6:27, and the money just entered. They removed their, I think, their fee, which is $0.90, and this is what we have. there was no money in this bank, in this Access Bank. So this is what we have. So you can see that your withdrawal is so sure. So this is an app at which you can withdraw your money. The earnings might not be that much, but at the end of the time, you'll be able to cash out your money. That's just it. Okay, guys, and I'm very sure you've seen how I made a successful withdrawal from this wonderful app. So if you are really interested in making money on this particular app, which I've just explained to you, which I've just told you, kindly click in the link in my bio to register into the app. Then, if you have any issue, just let me know. But it's actually not going to be issue. Click on the link in the bio to register and set up your profile and everything needed. Then you start going live and you start making your money. So, bye. See you next time. Do not forget to like this video, comment, share to people that you are very sure needs this video. And you follow me for more because I'm here to tell you the legit ones.